जैसे कि शास्त्र में कहा गया नाम साधन भी है और साधन और साधन दोनों। क्योंकि नाम साक्षात रसस्वरूप है, प्रेमस्वरूप है। नाम चिंतामणि कृष्ण चैतन्य रस विग्रह पूर्ण शुद्ध नित्य मुक्त नाम नामिनो। नाम और नामी में कोई भेद नहीं।
So there is no difference between Nam and Nami.
किंतु कैसे हम हरिनाम करें?
But how we can chant the Harinam? So how we can realize that? So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at the Gambhira, Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramanand, so he discussed about this.
जे रूपे नाम रहिले प्रेम उपजाय ताहार लक्षण सुनो स्वरूप राम राय। महाप्रभु कहने लगे,
Mahaprabhu was saying,
हे स्वरूप
Damodar Rai Ramanand,
जिस प्रकार से नाम ग्रहण करने से,
just like when you chant the holy name, love is manifested in your heart. So please listen the Sarup Lakshan of that. That's why we were hearing about everybody is chanting the holy name. Karmi log also chanting the holy name. Jnani also chanting the holy name. Yogi and Advaitvadi, everybody is chanting the holy name. Even by the chanting holy name, they get their fruit. Just like one person. So he was a village people and he was very simple. One day what happened? Now you can please check. Can you hear me? So that people doesn't know about that in that village some foolish people are staying and they are cheater people staying in this village. When he saw one place there are some people are putting wearing tilak and sitting somewhere and they are chanting Narayan Narayan. They are chanting like Narayan Narayan. Can you hear? Please check. Hari Bol.
इसके तात्पर्य कोई मनुष्य आए नर अयन नारायण है, एक अर्थ होता है जो समस्त जीव। नाम शब्द का अर्थ क्या है? आश्रय का। भगवान भी जो आश्रय करते, समस्त जीव भगवान के नारायण का आश्रय करते, नारायण।
So every जीव is taking the shelter of Narayan. That is why he is Narayan. So that foolish people all are chanting the holy name. So how they were saying that there is a nar person has came. When they march forward, so how is that? So it's just like Gopal, Gopal, Gopal. What is the meaning of Gopal? Who is taking care of cow? So he is called Gopal. Gopal. And other meanings of Gopal is who is very simple. So who doesn't have so much? Who is so much simple? That is Gopal.
कहने लगे, अच्छा भाई ये बताओ इसके पास कुछ पैसा वैसा है कि नहीं?
So the people were asking that he has some money, or not. So, he is Lakshmi, he is the husband of Lakshmi, he has so much money. First, Madhav name is name of Lord. What is the name of Bhagwan? Madhav. Ma means Sarva Lakshmi Srimati Radhika. Ma means Sarva Lakshmi, Sarva Mai Srimati Lakshmi Radhika Rani. How beautiful name is this, Madhav. And another means who has so much money, Madhav. Madhav means who has so much money. And when he marched forward, where he has kept the money. So Damodar. Bhagwan's another name is Damodar.
गोविंद के जो है दाम के द्वारा रस्सी के द्वारा
So
बांध
Bhagwan
दिया
was
था।
tied by the rope. That is why his name become Damodar.
दामोदर बोले और दामोदर माने इसके कमर में
And Damodar means who has rope in
बंधा
his,
हुआ है पैसा।
who has rope,
गाड़ी में क्या बोलते हैं?
or who has money, or money is tying with his stomach. That is why he is
मणिबंध
Damodar.
रखा है। वो व्यक्ति सोचने देखो इस गांव के लोग कितना सुंदर है। जो अभी अभी आए हैं ना, देखो इस लोगों के लोग इधर के लोग कितने सुंदर हैं। तिलक लगाए हुए हैं।
So that foolish person who has came in the village, he was thinking that everybody is chanting the holy name, everybody has the beats back, and everybody is chanting the name.
बहुत प्रसन्न हुए।
So he was so much pleased hearing all this scenario. So when he marched forward,
बड़े बाप इसके पास तो बहुत पैसा है, कमर में रखा है। कैसे लिया जाए, छीन लिया जाए?
so all the people was thinking how we can snatch the money. So they started,
वासुदेव
so
वासुदेव।
they were chanting the name Vasudev, Vasudev.
वासुदेव शब्द करते भगवान।
So Vasudev is another name of Krishna, and
वासुदेव माने
Vasudev means
बंसी माने बांस।
who has the stick, bamboo. Who has the bamboo? So with the bamboo we should beat that person.
बांस लेकर के उसको
So what it means that with the bamboo stick we should beat them, and we should snatch everything with that person.
सब एकत्रित होकर के
So
बांस लेकर के पिटाई करे और पिटाई करके सब
everybody started beating him and snatched all the money of him. That foolish person was ruined there.
नाम की खत व्यर्थ नहीं जाता है।
So name fruits never go waste.
वैष्णव लोग जैसे कहते हैं।
So the Vaishnav used to say like this.
कहीं डॉक्टर मिलेगा नहीं सर।
You want
ये सारे चोर चट्टा जो दुष्ट जो है सारे पैसा को लेकर के
all the rascals peoples,
पर्वत के पास गए।
they robbed all the money of that person and went to the mountain for distributing the money.
इतने समय
At the time the storms
और
came
बिजली गिरने लगी।
and the light from the sky was falling down, and everybody was saying,
ज्यादा परिश्रम किया।
I have did lots of work. I chant the Damodar name, I chant the Gopal name, I chant the Madhav name. So
और इतने समय
at the time
बिजली गिरी और
the light from the sky came and everybody died.
यमदूत
The Yamdut,
उनको ले गए जमालय।
so he carried all of them to Yamalaya.
जब महाराज की जो
Chitragupt,
ये लिखते हैं क्या बोले?
Chitragupt.
चित्रगुप्त जो है।
So who is taking care of Yam Maharaj? So his name is Chitragupt, who is taking picture of all the
जब महाराज
human
बोले
beings.
ऐसा करो,
So Yamna Maharaj said
मिल के क्या क्या किया?
what we should give, what they have all have done. So Chitragupt said that they have done this and that. So but at the time of that they have chanted the name of Bhagwan, because they were said I chant the Vasudev name, I chant the Gopal name, I chant the Narayan name. So Yamuna said they have left the body with the chanting name of Bhagwan. So that's why their all the sinful activity will be removed.
जय जय
Shiva.
इसके मतलब ये नहीं कहा रहा हूँ।
So it doesn't mean I'm not saying that you snatch all the money of other people's and chant the holy name. I'm not saying like this.
कैसे कोई ऐसे हो जाए?
But unknowingly it happens sometimes. So Bhagwan gives forgiveness and Bhagwan destroy all the sinful activities.
जैसे एक मुसलमान
Just like the
पायखाना
Muslim,
करने में गए,
just like one Muslim went to for toilets, at that time there was a wild hog
मुसलमान क्या बोला? हाँ राम।
came and he said Ha Ram. So at the time the wild hog, he left his body.
हाराम शब्द के द्वारा
So
सारे
because
पाप विनष्ट।
he has heard the name of Haram, that's why he got the Vaikuntha Loka.
हाँ शब्द प्रेमवाचक और
Because
राम शब्द है।
Ha means Premavachak and Ram.
अज्ञात यदि कोई पापी हो जाए,
So only unwillingly or unknowingly somebody done any committed an offense or sinful activity. So Bhagwan destroy all the sin. But some are doing the sinful activity is knowingly.
दो प्रकार के पापी होता है।
So there are two kinds of sinful person.
और एक साधारण अज्ञानी पापी।
One is knowing papi and one is unknowingly who is doing the pap.
दोनों से क्षमा कर देते हैं।
So the person who is doing the sinful activity unknowingly, so Bhagwan forgive that person. But the person who is doing the sinful activity knowingly, so Bhagwan never forgive that person.
ना नवाभास होता है ना कुछ होता है।
So and still they are chanting the holy name, so there is no rag. So their heart becomes so much hard, like a rock, like a stone.
इधर हरिनाम घेर इसमें भी वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं। इसलिए मेरे कहने की यह पर तात्पर्य है भजन
So
रस
what's
में
my
कहते
mean
जा
to
रहे
say in the bhajan rasa?
हैं। जे रूपे नाम लइले प्रेम उपजे है, मुक्ति मुक्ति आदि प्राप्ति करना नाम के द्वारा भी सहज में प्राप्त हो
So
जाता
if you
है।
want bhukti or mukti, so you can get that easily by the chanting
इसलिए
holy name.
अनेक लोग
That's why
और
many
विशेष करके
people,
वृंदावन
especially in the
धाम आदि
Vrindavan
ऐसे
Dham,
सिद्ध भूमि कहा जाता
this
है।
is called the Siddha
यहाँ पर
Bhumi.
आकर के होती जल्दी ही सिद्धि प्राप्ति हो जाता है।
So chanting the holy name in Vrindavan, so you will get the siddhi very easily. So that's why in the Dham you will see many kinds of karmi, jnani, yogi, because they know that this is the speciality of Dham.
अति सहज रूप में
Very easily
योग सिद्धि आदि प्राप्त
they can get the siddhi.
और स्थानों पर बैठ
In
करके
other places, if you are chanting the holy name, so it will take a lot of time. But if you are chanting the holy name in Vrindavan or some pilgrimage like Vrindavan, so you will get the siddhi very easily in a very short time.
क्योंकि धाम के विशेष वैशिष्ट्य
So this is the speciality of Dham.
ये जो धाम नवद्वीप धाम
So the Navdeep Dham, Vrindavan Dham, these all are the Siddha Bhumi. Knowingly or unknowingly, somebody putting his hand to the fire, so fire burns. In the same way, Dham is incredible, has incredible power. So in a very soon you will get the siddhi. That's why many people, for getting the siddhi and bhukti mukti, they used to come at the dham and performing bhajan and sadhan. But what is the prominent fruit of Nam? They cannot get that. That's why Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying, so he is telling the glorification of name. If somebody chant the little bit holy name, so Nam Prabhu, so will provide you the external things. So Nam Prabhu will provide you bhukti, mukti. He can provide you mukti also. What is the prominent fruit of Nam, which is love? You cannot get that easily. And that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Hey Sarup Damodar Rai Ramanan, please listen to me. Hey Sarup Damodar Rai Ramanan, listen to me very carefully. Bhukti and Mukti is not our main object. We would like to get the Krishna Prem. This is our main object. Samvan, Avidan and Prayojan. What is our Prayojan? Krishna Prem Prayojan. Krishna's love is our Prayojan. Because the eternal tendency of Krishna Jivas, it is a spontaneous tendency of Jivas, that is love to Krishna. They have this. Until you won't get the love, till then you cannot enter into the kingdom of Bhagwan. Somebody people would like to submerge into the Brahma, so they will lie somewhere, lie into the Brahma. Just like a coma patient stayed on the stretcher. So here their heartbeats are running only, and he is unconscious that time. Just like if you put a stone into the water, so it stayed into the water, but it never becomes water. It will not be melted there. It will like a stone and stay into the water. So that's why the Jiva who would like to submerge into the Brahma, so they will stay into the Brahma just like the stone. So this is one kind of punishment, because the Jeev have his transcendental tendency to serve Bhagwan. So how we can that seva vritti, the tendency of service, above the Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwarika, Mathura and the Golok Vrindavan, everywhere, the which is topmost service of love, tendency of service of loving, how we can get that? So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared in this land and distributed the love to everybody. That's like our youth, our Rup Goswami Pad, he has described Anarpita Charicharat. Hello.
समर्पयतु उन्नत उज्ज्वल संसवत्तिस्य हरि पुरट सुंदर दुति कलिंग संदीप्त सदा हृदय कंदरे पुरतवः
Sachinandana.
सचिनंदन गौर हरि
So Sachinandan Gaur Hari,
कलियुग में
in this Kali Yuga,
विचार नहीं करके
he never discriminated
संयुक्त प्रेम प्रदान
and he distributed love to everybody.
कितने आदर
So how affection and respect he has for the jivas.
महाप्रभु के भांति ऐसे
Just
उदार
like Mahaprabhu,
न भूत न भविष्य
just like Mahaprabhu, who has so much broad-hearted, nobody can be in the future or past. There are many incarnations of Krishna, but Krishna himself descanted in the form of,
किंतु प्रेम प्रदान किया कहाँ
okay,
वृंदावन
Krishna distributed the love himself, but he distributed love into the Vrindavan. But when the same Krishna appeared in this land, taking the bhav and kanti of Radharani, so he distributed the love to every jivas on this world.
मैग्नेटिक के प्रकाश किया न भूत न भविष्य
So what kind of love he has distributed, or the treatment he did with the jivas, no one can do like this. He has distributed love to the every jivas.
गौरसुंदर की एक विशेष
So this is the specialty of Gaur Sundar.
क्योंकि चैतन्य महाप्रभु का
But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Hey Sarup Damodar Ramanand, listen. Listen the glorification of name.
चैतन्य चैतामृत में
In the Chaitanya Charitamrita
अंत लीला में जाकर
and the Ant Leela,
19
maybe 19 or 20 Pariched,
1920 परिच्छेद में इसको वर्णन होते जाए
it is described there. The glorification of name is described there.
इनमें ढेरों में नाम लोईली पाए प्रेम उपजोय कहा स्वरूप राम उसी का हमारे भक्ति विनोद
So the same thing is Bhakti Vinod Thakur in Bhajan Rasa, he is describing here.
जिसके कारण हम लोग भी
So yesterday we have already heard something about that.
ये चैतन्य महाप्रभु
That Chaitanya
केवल
Mahaprabhu,
8 श्लोकों के द्वारा
by the 8 shlokas,
जगत जीवों की जो है शिक्षा
he has given the lesson to the Jagat Jivas, which is famous with the name of Shishtashtak.
महादालन निर्मापन मुस्या कई वचन का वितरण विद्यावत जीवनम आनंद मुदि वर्धन प्रतिपदन पूर्णांत साधनम सर्वात्म समर्पणम परम विजय
Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. So this is the first shlokas of Shishtashtak.
ये जो 16 नाम 32 अक्षर
So the 16 name
है
and 32 letters, Hare Krishna, Krishna,
कृष्ण हरे राम 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 हरे हरे हमारे भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर
Our Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying this 16 letter, 16 words and 32 letters, this is becomes a
यही
Mahamantra.
महामंत्र है
That Mahamantra,
इसमें अष्टयुगल नाम है
so there are Ashtayugal name is there, 8 pairs of holy name is there.
महाप्रभु ने अष्टयुगल को शिक्षास्त्र के रूप में जगत में प्रकट किया
So Mahaprabhu manifested this Ashtayugal, Ashtapair shlokas in the Jagat.
जानी श्रद्धा से
In this
प्रेम
world.
होता है तब पहुंचने की सोपान बताया
So this is the ladder from CD.
धीरे
This is the process or ladder from Shraddha to Prem.
यही समझ 16
This 16 word, but this 32 letters.
अष्टयुगल नाम कहा
This is called the Ashtayugal name.
श्रद्धापूर्वक नाम संकीर्तन करने पर
When somebody do the Naam with Shraddha, all kinds of avidya will be destroyed.
मार्जन होता है वही प्रथम युगल हरे कृष्ण का तात्पर्य है ये दिखा है नाम कैसे करना
How we have to chant the name, it is showing in the shloka.
और दूसरे युगल हरे कृष्ण
And the second Yugal Hare Krishna, it is indicating there that all kinds of mercies are there.
सारी शक्तियां हैं जो नाम कीर्तन वाले साधक के हृदय में अविद्या की नष्ट कर साधु संग में नाम संकीर्तन भजन की अनुरक्ति पैदा करती है नाम में क्षमता है
So this is the quality or capability in Naam. when you chant the same name, तो नाम प्रभु himself
सदगुरु
and
और
in your heart,
सत्संग में आपको लेकर के आए।
so नाम प्रभु himself lead to you to the Sadguru and
स्वरूप लक्षण है। भाई कनिष्ठ अधिकारी जो बोले क्या पता है
if there is Kanishta Adhikari
गुरु है क्या है,
who doesn't know that what kind of guru that Karmi Guru or Jnani Guru or Sadguru,
जहाँ पर मिल गया
he cannot judge that.
वैसे मंत्र ले लिया।
So wherever he go, he can get the mantra of Kali, mantra of Durga.
जहाँ जहाँ पर मिल गया।
Wherever he go,
भाई संसार में दुखी है
because in samsara he is suffering, so he wants son and material things. So people said that you chant this mantra and that mantra. So whoever giving that mantra, he thinks that he is my guru.
या तो कपाली गुरु जहाँ जहाँ हुआ है।
Even you have heard about the Kapali Guru. Some people make their Kapali Guru. Kapali Guru means like
गुरु शब्द के अर्थ उसके पता भी नहीं है।
he doesn't know about the word of Guru.
बद्ध जीव के क्या पता है।
He is a Baddha Jeev. He is not able to understand what is actually Guru and who is the. He is not able to understand that who is doctor, who will give the right treatment. So wherever you go, he get the same mantras. But gradually,
जब उसके सुकृति में
when his
भक्ति बड़ा सुकृति जो
when his Bhakti Mula Sukriti matured, so
उनके हृदय में
in his heart, Chaitya Guru give the inspiration that you should go there and you should go, do this and that. So he
जब गुरु से मिला थोड़ी जानते गुरु की परीक्षा करो क्या गुरु की परीक्षा करो।
So somebody used to say that we should test the Guru. So when we don't know even the word of Guru, so how we can test Guru?
संस्कृत में ऐसे बोलेंगे।
So if you go to the Mayavadi Guru, so he will speak the Sanskrit shlokas very nicely and describe that you cannot understand. So how you can test him?
आचार्य वो अपने भी श्लोक रचना करते हैं।
And even they have creating their own shlokas.
ऐसे बड़े-बड़े संस्कृत के विद्वान
So who are the so much scholar of Sanskrit? If you go to Advaitwadi, they are the scholars of Sanskrit into Haridwar.
एक सेकंड में आपके पछाड़
In the 1 second they will defeat you. What are you talking about? Sadguru? I am the Sadguru. There is no other Sadguru except me.
जैसे अभी प्रभु जी बताए
Just like Prabhuji told you, Shankaracharya himself Shankar,
और मंडल मिश्र के साथ
and when he had a word with Mandan Mish, for a long day he had a Shastrat with Mandan Mish, 27 days.
हम तो 27 सेकंड भी कर नहीं
So
पाएंगे।
27.
शंकर जी के साथ जो साक्षात शंकर शिव जी
So who is Shankar is himself Shivji. So he had the Shastrat with
साक्षात चला
27 days with him.
और अंत में उनको हराया।
And at least what happened, he defeated to Shankar.
उनकी पत्नी आ गई।
And when he was not defeating,
नाम क्या है? उसके नाम है ना?
yes, her name is Bhanumati.
मंडल मिश्र की पत्नी के नाम
Bhanumati.
वो आ गई।
She came
वो
there
आकर के शंकराचार्य के
and
बोले
she told to Shankaracharya,
हैं? देखो
look,
शास्त्र में लिखा है
it is
पत्नी जो
mentioned
है,
in the
पत्नी में क्या
scriptures,
होता है?
Ardhangini.
अर्धांगिनी
So
का
wife is the Ardhangini of the husband.
मुझे हराओ।
So you have defeated him, but now you defeated me. So she was so much a scholar lady. She was so much intelligent.
मंडल मिश्र से भी वो कम नहीं।
So she is not lesser than the Mandan Mishra. She is greater than Mandan Mishra. She is more intelligent than the Mandan Mishra. In the ancient time, it is said, it is seen that the Mahila, the ladies are so much intelligent, which is they are called Vidushi. Where we have heard the name of Gargi and other ladies, they are not simple, ordinary personality.
हम लोग जिस कथा आदि श्रवण करते हैं और वो कालिदास जिसके सभापति थे, हैं? विक्रमादित्य।
So Vikramaditya,
विक्रमादित्य की ये पत्नी जो है,
so the wife of Vikramaditya,
बहुत विदुषी
she
महिला
was so much intelligent.
है। आज समझिए, वो कम नहीं है।
She was not lesser than anybody. She can defeat it to the many panditas. It is not general things. It is not ordinary things. That's why our Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he wrote in the Vaishnava Vijay Granth. He has collected all the things there.
प्राचीन काल से लेकर
In the
के
ancient
आज तक
time,
अनेक
even
जगह
today,
विदुषी महिला, विदुषी माने?
so Vidushi means who are so much intelligent.
मंडल मिश्र के पत्नी वो
So
कहने
the
लगी,
wife of Mandan Mishra, she told to Shankaracharya, you defeat me if you
तो तुम्हें
can.
विजय पत्र मिलेगा।
So then you will get the victory letter.
शंकराचार्य जी बोले, अच्छा
So
ठीक है,
Shankaracharya
क्या
said,
करना?
okay, what I have to do? Please tell me.
पति को हरा दिया, पत्नी क्या
So I have defeated your husband. Now what to do? What I have to do? Please tell me. So now she said that you have to do the Shastrat with me. the Shankaracharya, he said, okay, which kind of Shastra, scriptures you would like to discuss with me? The wife of Mandan Mishra said, okay, maybe. So the name is mentioned there. Maybe. So you can discuss the Kam Shastra which is written by Vyasadeva. So because Shankaracharya was a Val Brahmachari, so how when he heard the name of Kama Sutra, so he was so much afraid that my sannyas dharma will fall down. So what to do now? But then the wife said, if you don't want to do the Shastra with me, then write the letter that I don't want to discuss about the Kam Shastra. Because she was a very intelligent lady. She was so much intelligent. And she was so much learned and she was so much hard to speak. Shankaracharya was so much afraid that now what to do, because he was Bal Brahmachari. So the Katha was described also there. Shankaracharya said, please give me 2 months time. So he has given 2 months time. So by the Yog Bal he has gone out from his body and he went to a king's body and he discussed and treatment. He did that do the treatment with the wife of the king, and after 2 months he came back in his body and he defeated that lady. And that time Mandan Mishra, then he became the disciple of Shankaracharya. The Mandan Mishra became the disciple of Shankaracharya. So the Katha we were describing in the same way. So how we have to chant the Bhagwan name? It is not possible by the intelligence. So you cannot understand the glories of the name by the intelligence. That's why Nam Prabhu, when you chant the holy name, so Nam Prabhu will, so he will give you the inspiration himself. And the same Nam Prabhu will give you the inspiration and lead to you to the Sadguru. So just chant the holy name only. While you chant the holy name, while chanting the name of holy name, so Nam Prabhu will give you the inspiration in your heart. Nam Prabhu will do everything. You need to worry. There is no need to worry. So that's why Mahaprabhu is saying,
कृपादि सारी शक्तियां है जो नाम कीर्तन करने वाले साधक को है हृदय स्थित अविद्या को जो है नष्ट कर साधु संग में नाम संकीर्तन रूप भजन की अनुरक्ति पैदा करते हैं। हरिनाम ही हमें अनुरक्ति पैदा करता है।
So Harinam will give that realization to us. And in an early stage, you won't get anything in Nam. Rupa Goswami Pada saying like this. You won't get the taste in Nam, but again and again, forcefully when you chant the holy name, then all kinds of avidya will go away. Just time somebody has suffering from jaundice, so whatever they eat, it is bitter. He feels that it is bitter, but again and again, sweet candy, eating the sweet candy, so when they will gradually what happen, all kinds of bitterness will go away, the jaundice will go away. Then the sweet candy will, the taste of sweet candy will be sweeter to him, to that person. So in the same way, if somebody is not getting the taste in Harinam, but still they has to chant the name forcefully. So the same Nam Prabhu will give you the power, and then you will get the ruchi. That's why Srila Gurudev is written here. So Bhagwan has manifested his all the power in Nam. So Mahaprabhu is saying very humbly, I don't have taste in Nam. So in the variation somebody has the taste of Nam, in the same amount he will say, I don't have any taste in name. So it happens spontaneous. So if there is a fruit in the branch of the tree, so that the branches will fall down spontaneously. So in this way, Nam Prabhu himself himself give you the love. So performs all of such bhajans gradually destroy of all kinds of impediments will go away. So then you will get the nishtha in the bhajan. So every day regularly you have to chant the holy name. In the Shrimad Bhagavatam it is mentioned also, if you chant, if you take the medicine regularly, so if you are not taking the medicine regularly, so your illness will go away. So whatever the prescriptions has been prescribed by the doctor that you have to take this medicine three times in a day, and at the night time you have to take it twice, and as well as he has told that what you have to, that you have to take some precautions. That you don't need to take yogurt, not so bitter things, not so sour things. So some people used to take yogurt so much. So somebody is, if the pupils are taking medicine and taking yogurt too, so the medicine will work? No. So actually the disease will be increased in this way. In the same way here it is saying, so when you regularly chant the name, then you will get the nishtha. If ajatrati sadhak, there is a process of for ajatrati sadhak. So first when he is chanting the holy name, he is chanting the pronouncing the name is correctly. So he has to hear the name properly. He has to chant the name properly. Some people are chanting the name very fastly. Yesterday, as Gurudev told like this, people used to say, Ek lakh. People used to say that I have chanted the 64 rounds today. It's very good, but you have to chant the name very proper way, in a proper way. अरे प्रभु जी जरा 1 GB करना उसको. It is possible for Haridas Thakur. Another 1 GB नीचे वाला. बस. So he chanted the holy name very loudly, and one like name he was doing the mansik, and one like name upansuk. So he took so much time on chanting the holy name. That's why I chant the holy name on a regular basis. So as I told you yesterday, Hare Krishna, it's a milatmak, it's a meeting name. When the Jatrati Sadhak, so it is showing the meeting of Radha Krishna in Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna. And the second name Hare Krishna, it's also meeting. And the Yugal Sarkar's Milan also, meeting is there also. So first two meeting, and the third one is Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna. So both are meeting mode. How Radha and Krishna are meeting. So who are the Jatrati Sadhak? So they have this kinds of spurti in their heart. When they chant the holy name, so this kinds of spurti comes in their heart. There are 3 kinds of prayers. One, Sampratma Adhika Badma. It is mentioned into the Bhakti Rasa. Sampratma. Just like one boy and girl, they are attracted towards each other. Hey Prabhu, in the same way my mind attracted towards your feet. So this is called Samprarthana Balika. Second is Lalsa Mai. So they have this kind of lalsa, the greediness, that when that day will come, that when I will chant the holy name of yours, and I will go to the bank of Yamuna.
रखनी ताटे राधे हा कृष्ण बोली अरे कांदिया मेरा देह सुख छाड़ी ननलता तोरु तले ननलता तोरु तले कवे गौरवने रखनी ताटे राधे हा कृष्ण बोली अरे कांदिया मेरा सुख छाड़ी ननलता तोरु तले ननलता तोरु तले भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर प्रार्थना
So Bhakti Thakur is praying in this way.
अशास्त्र रास्ते की सवांगन हो जाया सबके लिए हुई ये समस्त प्रार्थना
This all pratna are saying. This is called the Lalsamay Pratna. And the third one is
दैनो बोध आत्मिका
Daina Bodh Atmika. Daina Bodh Atmika.
है मस्त मनाती पापात्मा अपराध के बच्चे वही हारी विवेकी पुरुषोत्तम मेरे भांति
Just like
ऐसे
me,
निर्घिन्न
I am so much ashamed.
संसार में कौन है प्रभु
Who will be like
कौन
me?
मुझे शरण देंगे
Who will give me the shelter?
हैं? जैसे
Just like Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami is writing,
जयनगर के
he is writing very humbly.
तार पुण्य खाय मोर नाम जय गाय तार पाप जगाय मादाय होइते मुइसे पापिष्ट मुइसे रीति रहिते मुइसे लविष्ट एमो निर्घिन्न मरे किमा कृपा करे एक नित्यानंद बिनु जगत मध्यारे ये दैनो उदास
So this is called the Danya Bodhatmika. Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying in this way.
क्या बोले कुछ लोग
In the Bhakti Vinod Thakur Kirtan is a
पापी हूँ और हमारा
Amara Jivana Sada Pape
नहीं का पुण्य
Lesa Amara Jivana
सदा पावे राता नहीं का पुण्य हर परे मुझे अच्छी जय गाता लिया सी दे रोते परे मुझे अच्छी जय गाता लिया सी दे रोते
So these all are the Danya Bodhnak, matlab praising the humbleness of the writer.
सदा सर्वदा
Always
हम ये कहते हैं
we used to say, hey Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying in this Granth.
दृष्टि रखते थे
So for taking the care of both kinds of devotees, Jatrati and Ajatrati, and he is describing in this way in Bhajan Rahasya. So that's why Jatrati Sadhak, when they chant the Hare Krishna and second Hare Krishna is the both are the Miladatmak, both are meeting mode.
कैसे मिलाना
So how they are meeting, Radha Krishna are meeting into the Kunja. So in this way he is describing in first and second. Both.
विरह किसको होता है आप बताओ यदि इसके बाद विरह आएगा
After that Viraha will come, separation will come.
है
Nahin,
अरे कृष्ण कृष्ण है
Krishna is a separation mode.
विरह ना कृष्ण कृष्ण ये क्या है
What is that? This is separation.
विरह किसको होता है
Who get the separation?
जिसके जिसके मिलन है वो विरह
So who has the meeting mode? They feel the separation.
आप कभी
Just like if you haven't never been to someone and or you haven't got something like that, and if you lost that, so how you can realize about that? Just like a piece of gold, if I put into your pocket,
उदाहरण सुनिए
please listen to the example.
वो सोने के टुकड़ा
And if that piece of gold fall down somewhere, then I said, hey,
आपको मैंने ये सोने के
I have
टुकड़ा
given
दे
the
रखा।
piece of gold to you.
बहुत मूल्यवान हूँ।
So that was very valuable.
50 लाख रुपए से मूल्य था।
The value of the cost of that piece of gold was 20 lakh. So that was very valuable ornaments.
इधर में कुछ होगा तो
So you will get something in your heart.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Arey, what are you saying? I have never seen it. Where did you put it?
देखो आपके किसी प्रकार से
But
बहुमूल्यवान धन आपको प्राप्त हुआ
But if you get something, a very valuable thing,
अपनी कमाई करके
and you got it by your earnings, and you get it, that valuable things, by your earnings. If someone very hard worker, a poor person, while he was working so much hard and he got that things, he got so many precious things, he bought that, and he was keeping that with him. And suddenly what happened, he lost that.
तब क्या होता
So
है?
what happened at that time? So he feels so much sorrow. So he is going to search here and there. Where it has been gone, or where I have lost it, where it is, where it is. He says like this.
इसी तात्पर्य का
So what is the meaning here? So because he has the meeting mode. I was reading just recently.
लेट पड़ रहा
I was reading a lecture of Srila Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj at the disappearance day. Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he was delivering a lecture there in the Girdhari Gaudiya Math.
उसी की पत्रिका में दिया
So at that Patrika there was a lecture. The Srila Gurudev was saying,
विरह किसको
who get the separation,
इसके मिलन
who has the meeting mode, who has the sambandh, who has a relationship,
और जिसके संबंध
and who doesn't have any kinds of relationship with someone, so or have never meet any time, so what kind of separation mode they will get?
जैसे तुलसीदास जी
Just like Tulsidas said,
बांझ है ना बांझ क्या बोलते हैं
Banj means
पुत्र संतान नहीं
who doesn't get,
बांझ के संतान मर गया
Banj, the lady who doesn't give the birth to child. This is Banj. This story is very incredible. So Banj means who is not able to give the birth to a child. So if somebody said that you have lost your child, so what kind of sorrow she will feel in her heart? And if somebody give a birth to a child, and after that her child is died, so she will get so much sorrow in her heart.
चित्रकेतु महाराज के
Chitraketu Maharaj,
पत्नी
her wife,
शक्ति
Chitraketu Maharaj wife name,
हाँ
they have 1 crore wife.
जिसके पुत्र होगा है महादुति ने क्या अच्छा जब उनके संतान जब
So the wife of Chitraketu Maharaj, sons died, so she was crying, and Chitraketu himself also cried so much.
हम रोएंगे थोड़ी दिखावटी करते हैं
So who will cry? Who will cry?
भाई किधर के तो चाल नहीं है
We used to show someone in the Bengal. What happened? Somebody died, so
गांव वाले सब आके रोते हैं
all the villagers comes and cry for some time. They come to the dead body and cry.
रिश्तेदार
All the relatives or the villagers or the peoples who belongs to them, they used to come at the dead body and they cry.
देखो वो
But
होना क्या है
what kind of crying is that? This is just showing off.
कौन रो रहे हैं?
But who is crying actually? The family member of that person
बेटा
who has gone his child,
और बाकी
whose
लोग
child
क्या
is
है,
died.
केवल उसे दिखाने
She is crying actually, and the people who has come here, they are just crying externally
संबंध किसके साथ है?
because that dead body has a relationship with that mother,
बालक की जान।
so who has given the birth of that
और
child.
बाकी जो लोग आए हैं कुछ समय
And
और
other
फिर
people
चले
who
जाते
has
हैं।
come, they will come sometime and will go away after some time.
आप बताओ। इसलिए कहते हैं
So in
संबंध
this
जिसका
way,
है,
it is saying who has a relationship, only they will cry. So they will get the separation mode.
इसके संबंध में
Who doesn't have any kinds of relationship, so they cannot feel sorrow or separation mode.
जगत में पहले वस्तु क्या है?
So that's why in the Bhakti Jagat there is a first thing, that is relationship, sambandh, and then
इसके
avidya,
बाद क्या है?
prayojan.
तीन तत्व के
So there are three
अंदर
tattvas. So our Acharya Pad has described 3 tattva: sambandh, avidya, and prayojan. First we have to make a relationship.
कृष्ण के साथ हम कैसे संबंध जोड़े
How
कैसे?
how we can make the sambandh with the Krishna?
संबंध कौन देते हैं?
Who-
संबंध ज्ञान कौन देते
Who
हैं?
provides the sambandh gyan, the relationship? Guru Pad, Padma.
गुरु सदगुरु जो है
Sadguru
ये संबंध ज्ञान
gives us the sambandh gyan. That's why Gurudev is called.
संबंध प्रदाता
That's why Gurudev is used to call Sambandh Pradata, the relationship provider.
गुरु कृष्ण प्रसादे पार भक्ति लता भी माली भैया से भी करे आरोपण श्रवण कीर्तन जले कर
Sinchan.
गुरु इस संबंध ज्ञान
So
देते हैं।
Guru provides the Sambandh
वो है
gyan.
क्या चीज?
What is that thing actually?
सेवा वासना
So Krishna Seva Vasana, the desires of serving Krishna.
कृष्ण के साथ हमारे कैसे
So how we can develop our relationship by the Naam and Mantra?
एक तत्व संबंध
What
और
there are
एक
two kinds of sambandh, Tattvagandha sambandh and Rasgatva sambandh.
एक गुरु प्रदत्त मंत्र
So
आदि जप
whatever the mantras is provided by the Guru Dev, when you chant that mantra regularly, so you will get the relationship with Bhagwan. So the Bhaktivinoda Thakur is also told the pranali, the process of Naam, Nyas, Mudra, Prapatti, Sharanagati, Atmanivedana.
आत्मनिवेदन पांच प्रकार
So there are 5 kinds of vidhis there. It is also described.
फिर इसी प्रकार
So
करते
in
करते
this
धीरे
way,
धीरे
while you chant the mantras in our heart,
प्रभु के साथ एक संबंध
we will develop a relationship with Bhagwan.
इसलिए कहते हैं संबंध लैया भजे तारी कृष्ण नहीं तजे आज सब
Akaran mare, marana rakhe, marana kare.
संबंध का नाम कैसे प्राप्त
So how we can develop our sambandha
एक
gyan?
दिन में नहीं होगा
But it is not a
दीक्षा
one day
लेने
work.
से हो जाता है एक
The
दिन में
diksha is done by 1 second, 1 day. How much time did you take? How much time did you take for initiation? So whatever you have taken in the plate of and you have given offer to your Gurudev, and Gurudev give you a mantra and okay, his diksha is done.
क्या ये दीक्षा के क्या कहते हैं अनुष्ठानिक
So this is diksha is called Anushthanik Diksha.
अनुष्ठान का जो दीक्षा है
So which is doing by the Anushtan, that is called Anushthanik Diksha. And the Paramarthik Diksha is not the one day work. So when you hearing the Katha again and again on regular basis and serving the Guru, gradually what happen? That will manifest in your heart.
आज क्योंकि लौकिक दीक्षा को जो दीक्षा से एक सेकंड में
So Laukik Diksha is just a one day work. But actually, Pani hai, good dekh लो बस. Yes.
दीपक ज्ञान कैसे हो
So how you will get the Vigyan, the transcendental knowledge in your heart? It's not the one day work. It takes time.
गुरुदेव के प्रति प्रगाढ़ निष्ठा भजन आदि
So when you have so much pragar nishtha towards Gurudev's feet and performing bhajan, then it will be manifested. And especially, it is not possible without serving. Gurudev used to say,
शरीर का रगड़ा
you have to rub your body.
इसलिए गुरुदेव के प्रवचन आप लोग सुने।
So maybe you have heard the lecture of Srila Gurudev. When Gurudev used to give the lecture, it was very nice lecture. It is mentioned in the Patrika also.
विरोचन की कथा
He has mentioned the katha of Indra Virochan.
है इंद्र
Indra and Virochan story.
बोले श्रवण यज्ञ में तो ब्रह्मा जी तो बोल दिया कि तू समझ गए
Brahma ji told that you have to do go and there, but how it is possible? By the service you have to realize all that things.
प्रकार की भक्ति के
So
अंग
whatever bhakti limbs is mentioned in the scriptures, what is the topmost limbs? What is the topmost limbs?
प्रहलाद महाराज को बताया कि
Prahlad Maharaj is saying,
गुरु शुश्रूषा भक्ता
Guru Shushruta Bhakta, serving to the Gurudev.
भक्ता सर्व लाभ है संगेन साधना ईश्वर है साधु संग
Sadhu Sang
गुरु सेवा
and serving of Guru, by these all things and performing Nam Bhajan and hearing the Hari Katha, then gradually it all things mentioned in your heart. It is not the one day work. Hey Gurudev, I haven't, it's nothing happening with me in my heart.
लगाया नहीं
You haven't seen the rope, you haven't roped the seeds, and so Gurudev asking, where is your seeds? Oh Gurudev, it is in my pocket. I have forgotten to rope into the mud. So Gurudev used to say this kinds of example. If you have put the seeds into the almirah or somewhere else, so you have to rope the seeds into the mud, into the land, and you have to give water. You have to give the you have to take care of that seeds regularly. That's why it is saying Brahman Brahmiti Kauno.
गुरु कृष्ण प्रसादे पाए भक्ति लता माली भैया तेरी करे आरोपण श्रवण कीर्तन जले करह सेचन श्रवण कीर्तन आदि
So while hearing and chanting, so we have to follow the process of 9 limbs of bhakti, Kirtanaka bhakti.
चिन्नतानि सक्ता कृष्ण पुण्य श्रवण कीर्तन है युद्धं सुते जगदान विदुति सोई सदा नष्ट प्रायसो भद्रेषु नित्यं
Bhagavad Sevaya.
भक्ति भगवती दृष्टि
Chalo.
श्रवणात्म भक्ति का
Shravanakya Bhakti. What is
श्रवण
that?
देखिए मुखार बिंदु से श्रवण
It's
करते
always here with your Gurudev,
हैं
by the mouth of your
हृदय मर
Gurudev.
हुआ
When you will hear the katha from your Gurudevs, your heart will be clear. So when the transcendental words and the transcendental vibration will come from the Gurudev, that will enter into the ear through the ear, it will enter into the heart, and that will destroy all kinds of anarthas from your heart.
फिर धीरे धीरे अनर्थ
Then gradually, when the anarth will be destroyed,
निष्ठा रुचि आकर के
so then nishtha and ruchi will come.
आगे बात बढ़ी इसलिए कहा रहे हैं यहाँ पर
So in this way, it is saying here the third yogal name, Krishna Krishna.
भक्त के
When you do the kirtan of this,
संघ प्रभु का नाम गान विषय वैराग्य और स्तव स्तुति का अनुसरण करते करते दिन रात निष्ठा पूर्वक नाम ग्रहण करें हमारे इसमें कहते साधु वर्ग
so that's why it is saying Sadhu Varga. Rup Goswami Pad and Sanatan Goswami Pad, how they have performed bhajan and sadhan.
उनकी रास्ते में आप चले
So we have to process their path. We have to follow their path.
फिर उसी प्रकार
In this way,
संबंध ज्ञान
then we will get the Sambandha Gyan, and after the Sambandha Gyan,
विरह अनुभव
we will get the separation.
इसमें जो
We will
कहे
realize the separation.
के जुगल जो नाम
So the
बताए
Krishna Krishna Yugal name is told, is written here.
हैं
That is
विरह उत्पन्न
the separation mode name.
शुद्ध साधु चरित्र कहते हैं जनादपि सुनीचेन तरोरिव
Then the character of that person becomes like Sadhu Charitra.
इसलिए यहाँ पर भी लिखते हैं
So here it is also written at that time Radha and other gopis,
स्मरण करते हैं
they will realize the pastime of that separation modes.
फिर चतुर्थ श्लोक में हम प्रवेश
So we will enter into the fourth shlok tomorrow.
अरे
Hare Hare. Okay.
वो भी मिलनात्मक
So that is Milanatmak, meeting.
चतुर्थ श्लोक में क्या होगा
Milanatmak. That the fourth shlok, fourth word is Milanatmak.
मिलन मिलन के दो मिलन होता है फिर एक विरह होती जाती है विरह के
Two
बाद
milans, one separation, two meeting, one separation, and then meeting.
यही रस विचार में
This is also, there are many kinds of ras which are also there are Pururagman, Prurag.
चार प्रकार के विरह
There are four kinds of viraha, separation, and four kinds of meeting there also mentioned.
के फल है।
So we will describe all these things in a scientific way.
ठाकुर इस ग्रंथ के
Had described in the Bhajan Rahasya.
इतने सुंदर करके लिखे हैं जितना बार पढ़ोगे आपको लगेगा नया नया
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is written very nicely in this word. The long you will read, you will realize it is very new for me. So Gurudev told us and wrote this granth to us, or read this granth for us many times.
2004
So I wrote it 2003, 4, 5, 6, many years I have written there.
नहीं नहीं उसको होता है।
And he has, told us many kinds of new meanings of that in the Bhajan Rahasya.
सुंदर सुंदर नवनिर्वाण रूप में
And Gurudev used to express their beautiful new bhav. Srila Gurudev ki jai. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Pancha. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.